Yeah, here go a jellyfish right here. That's a what?
That's my squishy. That's a jellyfish. And his name is Squishy.
He can bite you.
They can sting you.
It hurt?
Hell yes, man, I have to pee on you.
For real?
Yeah, it's a jellyfish.
Somebody have to pee on you.
No, they're not poisonous. They stingy. Oh yeah, it is poisonous. You gotta pee on it.
They got pee on it?
Yeah, kill the poison.
Damn.
I was just in there playing in there, dog.
Move that shit away from me then.
Jellyfish. I named him Squishy. I named him Squishy. Where'd he go?
Oh shit, where'd it go?
Oh, there he go.
Oh shit. I don't want that one to get me. Hey, pull this one behind your foot, G. Okay, there go Peter. Oh yeah, man, that's what's happening. Yeah, we out here, man. I'm recording, you know what I'm saying? It's LC up in Florida. I'm right behind us, man.
City, man. Niggas hate too much down there, man.
Yeah, they hate too much, man. We out here though. We picking it down here, man. It's hot as a motherfucker out here. We out here. Yeah. Give it a walk.
I was just out there, y'all, and I'm scared to go back out there. What is that from?
Damn, I got caught. I got caught by some water. That shit up my legs.